Hey everybody, this is Primetime Tom. I'm here at Red Sunset Park in Gresham, Oregon. It's a suburb of Portland. Um, have not been to this park in ages. This is something that my buddy Sam used to do every once in a while. This is one park that he always had wanted to come to, and I told him one day that we would make our way out here. So unfortunately, Sam is no longer with us, and but I know that Sam would be here in spirit. And over the last few days, I've kind of have felt his presence. Sam will always be with us. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys this park here. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you later. I would be doing this live, but unfortunately I never figured out how to do that, so my apologies. Anyway, so here we go. If I can figure this out, maybe not.